been feeling numb, distant, and tired of pretending. You didn't turn cold overnight. You turned cold because people kept taking pieces of you and acting like nothing happened. You used to care deeply until caring only brought you pain. You stopped explaining yourself because every time you opened up, someone used your honesty against you. So your silence became your shield, and the world said you changed. But the truth is, you just ran out of places that felt safe. You didn't become emotionless. You became careful. You didn't stop loving. You stopped trusting. You learned the painful truth. The strongest people are the ones who cry in private and wipe their own tears. You mastered saying, I'm fine, because nobody ever stayed long enough to hear the real answer. But even in this silence you're living in, God sees you. He is close to the brokenhearted, and He never asked you to pretend you're strong alone. One day, the numbness will fade. Not suddenly, but slowly, gently. You'll feel again. You'll laugh again. Your heart will thaw when it finally feels safe. And God whispers to the pieces you've been hiding, I will restore you. I will strengthen you. You didn't lose yourself. You're healing. If this touched your spirit, comment, I'm healing, and share it with someone who's been fighting their battles in silence.